Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into one of the most electrifying developments in modern military technology, the Maheshwarastra 1 MBRL. That's right, a multi-barrel guided rocket launch system that's causing quite a stir in defense circles. So, what's the big deal with Maheshwarastra 1? Well, imagine this, a rocket system that can hurl a 250-kilogram warhead up to 150 kilometers away. Yes, you heard that right. 150 kilometers. That's like shooting a missile from New York City all the way to Philadelphia with pinpoint accuracy. And not just any missile, but one that can adapt its warhead to knock out various types of targets. Now that's what I call a serious reach. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The Maheshwarastra 1 doesn't just fire rockets willy-nilly. Oh no, it's guided, ensuring that each launch is a masterclass in precision. You could almost imagine it wearing tiny little glasses to make sure it hits the bullseye every time. Now you might be getting some déjà vu vibes, thinking, hey, doesn't this sound a bit like the Brahmos missile? And you'd be right. The Maheshwarastra 1 does share some similarities with the formidable Brahmos, especially in using the same type of propulsion system. But here's the twist. There's no seeker in Maheshwarastra 1. It's like Brahmos's free-spirited cousin who turned down a GPS because it believes in its own sense of direction. What's even more fascinating is the backstory. This isn't a pet project funded by vast government treasuries. Nope. The development of Maheshwarastra 1 is all thanks to the independent efforts of JSR, who are footing the bill with their own funds. Talk about confidence. They're not just throwing money at a problem, they're hurling rockets. So there you have it, folks, the Maheshwarastra 1 MBRL, a game-changer in the world of military tech, promising to deliver devastating power with surgeon-like precision. Whether you're a tech geek, a military buff, or just someone who appreciates a good rocket story, there's no denying the cool factor of this beast. And remember, while it's fun to marvel at these technological titans, let's hope for a world where their use is nothing more than a deterrent. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as blown away by the Maheshwarastra 1 as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more explosive content. See you next time, where we might just tackle something even bigger. Stay curious, stay safe.